Good morning from Ho Chi Minh City. Before we explore around the city today, we're gonna go ahead and do our prison workout first. Come on, thank you. Bye bye. Finished our workout. Now we got some banh mi's for breakfast and going to get some coffee. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tristan.
I can talk to you. But what is this?
Camera.
GoPro.
It takes videos.
See here? GoPro.
Ooh, what is this video?
This is the lens. So that's how you can see everything through here. Through here.
But look, it's lighting.
Another day, another market, right?
Another day, another market. Another
Same stuff.
Can I help you?
No, thank you.
Là mua kem mà bây giờ mày nấu điên mà muốn tư cái nằm cũng cũng điên được trơn ngộ ghê không?
So that was the Benton market. Pretty good if you're looking for fruits and clothing and souvenirs and stuff here in Saigon.
It's nice because it wasn't too packed. You could walk around pretty comfortably.
Yeah, we've just been to so many markets that we just kind of breeze through them. We don't have much room for souvenirs, so it's cool to see. We might go back again for some fruit. First Starbucks we've seen since being here in Vietnam. Woo!
But can't justify spending $4 on a cup of coffee when we just had iced coffee for less than $1 US.
So we're walking into the fancy part of Ho Chi Minh City right now. It's a lot more upscale. Oh, Jesus. This is a statue of Ho Chi Minh.
Should we take one from here? Up to the Notre Dame Cathedral of Saigon, which was built in the 1880s. 1980s, as you can see. And then we're gonna head to the post office.
Wonder how much they're paying for that picture. And as you can see straight ahead is the central post office.
So I'm not 100% sure how accurate it is, but I just overheard someone say that the person who designed this post office was the same person that designed the Eiffel Tower.
We'll have to fact check that.
Yeah.
But here's the Saigon Central Post Office. We'll take a look inside of it. Looks pretty cool from the outside. Right up there is the old map of Saigon from 1892. Ho Chi Minh City, anywhere you go, there's like tons of coffee shops, nice restaurants. It seems like no matter what direction you walk in, there's like tons of things to do. So I think if I had to compare Ho Chi Minh City to Hanoi, I'd say Hanoi has like one pocket of like pedestrian foot traffic that's really cool to see, which is the old quarter, which you can see in our other video. However, here there's the main walking street, which we were on earlier, where we got the banh mi, and then anywhere you go there's a ton of places to walk.
Yeah, there's lots of museums and monuments, like the post office that we just saw, the cathedral, and it's also situated along the river. But it's kind of spread out, but you definitely want to walk everywhere because, like Tristan said, there is so much to see. Although I hear the buses here are pretty easy to navigate as well.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Never seen that.
All right, so we were just sitting on the edge of the Saigon River, just enjoying the view, enjoying the waterfront, when all of a sudden, some guy gets naked right in front of us.
Completely naked.
That was absolutely insane. First he was washing his clothes, and I was filming a video, like...
Of the boat, not of him at all.
Well, yeah, of the boat, of the river, and he was in the frame. And then all of a sudden, I'm pretty sure he saw the camera too, he just gets naked and gets right in the water, has a little bath, and gets out. Let's try and erase that from our memories.
I'm just surprised in all the places we visited, like India, Nepal.
That was a first.
Like, I always saw people bathing in the Ganges, but not completely naked and not in the city.
Now check this building out. On every single floor is a different company, typically where like an apartment would be. It's really unique. So now we're gonna go to one of these places, probably a coffee house. Yeah, it's like just walking through an apartment complex. on that note, we're gonna end our exploration for today. Thanks for watching.
Bye.